Find the ice yet?
No.
I mean, the salt.
Look at our ice. It's all melted.
Exactly. Are you sure?
Watch out.
Sure it's up there?
Yeah. It's right here. Are you sure you used 3 of these?
That's what it says.
It says 3/4 cup. This is 1/4.
That's why you use 3 of those.
Alright.
I don't think that's right.
Read it.
Maybe they're crazy.
Alright, we'll just put this in. We'll just do like 1/4.
Do 2/4. It's in the middle of what it says.
No way, that's gonna be too much salt.
If it doesn't turn out right, it's all your fault.
Remove cup covering canister.
There's no cup on the canister.
In separate container, combine 1 packet of dessert mix with 3/4 cup of half and cream. Look at the milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
What milk?
You know milk.
We don't have milk. There's no milk in here. Just use water and flour.
Oh my god, it's so cold out now.
No!
Guys, we can't make it. We don't have milk, stupid.
You don't need milk.
Yes, you do.
Are you? Where would the milk be at? Did you seriously just dump all that salt and water and ice out?
We can't make it right.
I order milk. I'm gonna call Walmart. Does Walmart order milk? Do they bring you milk? Whatever.